Okay, students, now we are going to do the questions of salt analysis or qualitative analysis, and these questions are based upon the PYQ, previous year questions. Okay, and NTA Abhyas, chapter wise NTA Abhyas question bank. Okay, so NTA Abhyas gives mock test, but segregating chapter wise, these questions are selected. So solving these questions and listening to my explanation will enhance your score. So it is better to note down each and every question with the proper explanation. Okay, so let's start the question one by one. Okay, here is the first question. Which of the following does not give borax bead test? Very first question is, which of the following does not give borax bead test? Options are iron, copper, chromium and lead. Iron, copper, chromium and lead. Out of this, which will not give you borax bead test? Okay, so answer to this question is lead. Okay, what is the answer? Lead. Reason only colored metal ions. Okay, metal ions can give borax bead test. Color is important. Okay, different color only we will identify different different type of metal. So there is lead cannot be identified, cannot be detected, cannot be separated by borax bead test. Okay, borax bead test. There is a separate lecture only exclusively for borax bead test and flame test. Flame test and borax bead test is covered already in the separate lecture. Search which came borax bead test. Okay, so then you can answer these type of questions. Okay, next question is a substance on treatment with dilute H2SO4 liberates a colorless gas. First identification. Okay, colorless gas and produces turbidity with baryta water, BaOH whole twice. Okay, and second turns acidified dichromate green. So what is the substance which can give all the three: colorless gas, turbidity and acidified dichromate into the green? Okay, question you can think and tell me the answer. Okay, A option is CO3 2 negative, B is S2 negative, C is SO3 2 negative, D is NO2. Okay, answer is SO3 2 negative. See, main is here green color. Okay, main is what? Green color. Is it understood? Baryta is due to BaSO3. Turbidity is due to formation of BaSO3, and it is chromium sulfate, Cr2SO4 whole thrice. Okay, dichromate. And SO2 is a colorless gas. So answer is C. What is answer? Answer is C. Reason with proper explanation. Is it understood? Okay, next question is formation of purple color on addition. Purple color addition of sodium nitroprusside test. So many times I repeated in the acidic radical classification. Okay, so I think it is in the third or second lecture of identification of acidic radical. Sodium carbonate extract, okay, indicates the presence of phosphate, sulfide and hypo or thiosulfate. Okay, so you can think and answer. Okay, here answer is S2 negative. What is answer? Presence of S2 negative is detected by sodium nitroprusside. Okay, what it is detected? Sodium nitroprusside. It will convert from NO will be in the bracket. After this, what it will be converted? NOS. Okay, during this reaction, ligand changes from NO to this NOS. This trick also I told you, NO nitric oxide, and this sulfur will convert into NOS. Okay, so that is purple color. This is when NOS comes, what will be the color? Purple color. Okay, this is the reaction showing the complete explanation. Na2S. What is this? Na2S when treated with sodium nitroprusside. Formula is Na2FeCN5 and NO. What is this? Is it clear to you? On reaction, this sodium will add it here. So total sodium will be now sodium 4, Na4. Fe as it is, CN5 as it is, NO is converted to NOS. Okay. And many books, some books are written as a violet, some books as written as a purple. The qualitative analysis is colors they will mention different. So I am giving you both colors mentioned in various books. Okay. Violet color and purple color. Both are same here. Okay. Next question is among the following pairs. Okay. Among the following pairs of salts, which gives yellow PPT, which gives yellow PPT separately. That means BaBr2 plus each salt. They should give yellow color precipitate. First option I am reading out Na2CO3 and AgNO3. K2SO4, K2CrO4. Both should give K2SO4, AgNO3, AgNO3, K2CrO4. Okay. So properly check with your notes. Maintain, if you maintain proper notes through the algorithm flowchart, then it will be easy for you to identify and solve this type of question without any confusion. If till now you have not done, try to complete the notes in the algorithm form, especially basic radical. Okay. So people are giving answer, but they are wrong. That's why I am suggesting this procedure. Okay. And I have given you the colorful notes also. So that you can at least it is attractive and easy to remember. Okay, answer to this question is Ag2, AgNO3, K2CrO4. Already these two reactions, this reaction at least repeated 2 to 3 times, K2CrO4. Okay. See, in this question, main thing is yellow precipitate. One reason is barium. Okay, barium and chromate. They will give you the yellow precipitate. And the other reason is due to bromine. Bromine and silver. Silver and bromine is yellow precipitate. Barium and CrO4 yellow precipitate. Okay. See here. Yellow precipitate in the first salt is due to yellow precipitate in the K2Cr2O4 is due to formation of BaCrO4. Okay. And in the second it is AgBr. Second, is it visible? AgBr. Okay, so bromine from the added BaBr2 and Ag in the salt will react with each other to form yellow color precipitate. Both are yellow color, but formula and reason is not same. Here reason is due to the presence of silver. Here reason is due to presence of CrO4 2 negative. But what is common thing? Common thing is yellow color precipitate. Okay, next question is which is soluble? Question is which is soluble in NH4OH. Okay, option A PbCl2, option B AgCl, option C PbSO4, and option D is CuCO3. What is option C? CuCO3. Okay, answer is what? AgCl. This is even used in organic also for aldehyde, detection of aldehyde, ammonical silver nitrate. Okay, silver mirror test will be done in the aldehyde. That is because of the maximum soluble. AgCl is maximum soluble because AgNH3 whole twice, ammonical silver nitrate. Okay, it will be forming like this. Ammonical silver nitrate. This will be positive, and after that this is the formula of the ammonical silver nitrate, which is used for detection of aldehyde. Okay, next question. Just recently we have done this question, but question pattern is changed. Okay, read it carefully. When you obtain purple color, what is the purple color compound, how to remember? Everything I have explained along with the formula in this question session only. But question is, what is the change in oxidation number of iron? Okay. So it is from +3 to +2, +2 to +4, +2 to +3 are no change. Okay. Just now I have given, at least if you have written the question answers, you can find out the oxidation number of iron in both complexes. Okay. Okay, see here, very simple technique. D answer, no change in oxidation number, because see, along with the sodium increased the oxidation number by 2, and sulfur increased the oxidation number by minus. See, this extra S is added. -2 and +2 will get cancelled. So because of this, there is no change in the oxidation number of iron. Okay. Okay, next question is somewhat related to organic also. Red color, FeCl3 test. FeCl3 identification, already I have told you. FeCl3 test, which of the following will give blood red color? Okay, so options are NH2CONH2, NH2CS, NH2, C2H5NH, NH2, CH3, C triple bond N. The option sent by you is not there in the question. You can select any one of from the options only. Okay, here answer is simple B. What is the answer? Simple answer is B, because red color is due to NaSCN. What is the answer? NaSCN, which further react with FeCl3. Okay, write down the B option. It contains what? Sulfur. Okay, it contains nitrogen as well as sulfur. Nitrogen and sulfur. It contains nitrogen and sulfur, which causes blood red color on treating with FeCl3. Okay. Okay. Next question: the ion which cannot be precipitated both by HCl and H2S. Pb2 plus, Cu plus, Ag plus, and Sn2 plus. It should be precipitated by both. HCl also should be able to precipitate, as well as H2S also should precipitate. If one of them is not precipitating, then you can select that answer. Okay. So answer is Sn. H2S can precipitate it, no problem, but HCl cannot precipitate. Rest all can precipitate them. Rest all can precipitate. H2S can also precipitate, as well as HCl can also precipitate. So answer to this question is D, Sn2 plus. Okay.